I had nothing I could do today. All I had to do is, what can I do now? Oh, someone's at the door. I'll go get it. Oops, wrong way, wrong way. Oh, yes, hello? Hey there, little engine. I just came here with, a camcorder. Um, I'm just saying the name is, Duncan. Um, and then I don't know, it has a last name on it. Oh, well, don't you mean I'm Duncan? You're Duncan? Yeah, sure. Yes, that's me. Well, your name is Duncan. I believe this is for you. Uh, Thank you. I can really use a camcorder, and I believe I found a note that he wants me to deliver it for you. I wonder who's the note from. All right. This is from your narrow gauge engines, I believe. Well, you have a nice day, okay? Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Okay, who's it from? Dear Duncan, I hope you enjoyed this video on Gaming Kenny Scooby Trick or Quite Do. And I hope you enjoyed this video of us being bored all the time, and we miss you so much. And we always like your videos. Son of your hosts, Reneus and Scott Louie. That must be from both of them. Oh, and there's more. Okay, Peter Sam and Sir Handel. Oh, okay. They might be for them. Okay. I got a camcorder. Now I can go record. Okay, who can I record? I got a camcorder. But how could I use a camcorder? Hello, Duncan. Oh, hello, Tails. Quick question. Whoa, is that a camcorder? You damn right it is. What does a camcorder do? You record stuff. Here, I'll set it up straight for you. Okay, there you go. It's all straightened up. Now you can record something and then... But how can I use a camcorder? That's simple. You turn it on, and then you can record yourself or someone else. Someone else? Are they going to be in video? Of course, silly. All you do is just press that button, and then it might record on them, and then you can send it, or give it to your family or your YouTube channel. YouTube channels. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, you might record that on YouTube. You're a genius, Tails. I'm getting ready to do it right now. And thank you, Tails, for fixing the camera for me. No problem, Duncan. I guess. I wonder who I can record. Magenta, you are so sweet. And I can really taste it into it. Huh. I guess this is Jack. With Magenta. I can go record them right now and make fun of them. Is my turn into action? Action? Wait, let me just back up here and record. Okay, I have to get ready for action. When I say record, I'll say record. Alright, record.
Preview.
It works anyway. Okay, time for action. Alright, it's recorded. Now it's time for action. Alrighty, it's time for action. Time for the kissy kissy. Mm. Oh yeah, you like that? Oh my goodness, I should post that. It was my first time I had this camcorder. What should I still keep on filming. What else I can do? 6 hours later, when Duncan's done recording.
Preview.
Okay, now I can post that on YouTube and see what they think. Okay, it's time for me to do this myself. Okay, now it's time for me to get recorded. Hey Duncan, what are you doing? I'm posting this on YouTube and on to Magenta and Jackal, always getting love. Oh, and that's really cool. Can I see it? Oh, sure thing. It's gonna be really, maybe sexual, I think. Oh, thanks, Duncan. You're the best. I know I've been doing the best. Oh yeah, you like that, man? Oh, Jack Dude's got something for you. It's really cool, isn't it? What you do, you can Photoshop it. Well, what can I do, Junior? Oh yeah, after you film it, you Photoshop it, and then it's really cool. Then, after that, there'll be danks on it. Junior, you got myself a better idea. I know I did. Okay, I'll show you how to Photoshop it. Okay, bro. Okay, done. Oh, you got it working? Oh, I sure did get it working. Jack dude. Jack dude. That is amazing. Thanks, Junior. I can really use that. Photoshop I can use. That's what we can do. Now you excuse me. I'm going to hang out with Dodge Dart. Okay. Thanks, Junior. Okay. Now, Junior, help me Photoshop this. This is really cool. It is. Working on the handles. I am working for the Jack Dude. Yeah, baby. Hey. Excuse me, Jack. Are you the guy from YouTube? Me on YouTube? Yeah, that's me, dog. Time for the extreme challenge? Yeah, maybe. Why? Ow! What'd you do that for, Toad? You are the one who was being dank. Dank? What are you talking about? I mean, you are on YouTube. YouTube, doing something for Magenta. What are you talking about? I was hanging out with Magenta. She's my girlfriend. I can do anything what I want to. Well, look up on YouTube and see what you think you did. I'll check up on YouTube anyway. Huh, stupid Toady. How can he do that for that? Jack dude. What the frick? What the frick? You know what, man? F that. I'm calling the cops on him. Oh, yes, hello? Hey there, I just came for, a dead series, whatever you call it. I call it, look, on YouTube, there's my channel say, Jack Dude on there. Huh? What's so funny? You're the Jack Dude who recorded videos? Like, Jack Dude. Dude, what are you talking about? I saw that on YouTube, and I want that completely deleted. Oh, silly you're just trying to do that? I'm trying to. Whoever records me is going to prison. Okay, it's not funny. Okay, you can just let me in. I'll find the criminal for you. Alright. I was in my room. Yeah, you was in your room. Jacking with a puppy of yours. Yeah, I was not. Then how was you jacking on YouTube? I don't know. I was hanging out with my Magenta buddy. Like, hi puppy. I really love you as a good girlfriend. She's my girlfriend, you genius. Wait just a second. Are you marrying a puppy? Well, dang right I am. Dude, it's not funny. Okay. How did it happen again? I was in my room. Yeah, you was in your room. And someone filmed me into the recording. Someone filmed you. What I remember is Duncan. Duncan? The narrow gauge steam engine? Yeah, I gave him a camcorder from his, narrow gauge buddies of his. Well, I better go. Later, Jack Dude, and nice videos. Duncan! I can really feel it. Duncan! Oh, hi Jack, what's up, man? I heard you was filming me. Oh, what? What? I was filming you? Yes. I was in my room with Magenta all this time, and I heard you was filming me. Well, I was filming you. I wasn't. You was not? No, how could I film you? And do you have a camera? No, I don't have a camera. I was busy recording the trees. Ah, you recorded the trees, huh? And how is the video on YouTube? What video? It was on YouTube, you genius. You should check that out. Oh, I don't know. Do you have a camera or not? Well, yeah, it's in my drawer, you genius. I'll go get it. Jeez. Okay, I got the camcorder, and I really have trees. Okay, let me see it. Oh, what a beautiful day today it is. It is kind of funny I had trees. That was your voice. Oh, really? Oh, sorry about that. What I mean to say is, I'll get that. I'll get that out. Okay. All right. This is my voice. Okay. Okay. I'm just kidding. Here's the video. Oh, what a lovely day today is. Look at all the trees I can see. Oh, look at the squirrel. Hi, little squirrel. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Who could I see? Oh, there's Knuckles washing his RV. Say hello, Knuckles. Oh, come on. And that's all I could do. It's all thanks to Renez, Serhendo, Scarloey, and Renez. And all my narrow gauge steam engines of my friends. I thank them all for the camera of mine. And say bye-bye and peace out. Dunkin' up, baby. Is that all? Yes, that's my camcorder. I got it from my friends. I didn't record you. How could I record you? Well, someone has a camcorder. Wait a minute. Are you sure the other video is up there? No, it wasn't up there. How can it be up there? I mean, there's no videos. I'll scroll down. See? See? No videos of you though. Well, there's no videos here. I'm sorry for blaming you, but well, that guy said it was Duncan who has a camcorder, but I was seeing who filmed me, and then and see who it was. That's what I always did. Well, I better get going. Yeah, I better get going. Later, Duncan, and I'm sorry for bothering you. Yeah, finally, I didn't film you. Or ever. Whew. That was a close one.